Hello and welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos. Today in this video I will show you how you can install JDK 25 on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So this is Ubuntu box and open the terminal. First update the system, sudo apt update so system is updated. Now enter Java version and it is saying command Java not found but can be installed with these commands. So you select this command for installing JDK 25, copy it and paste. So it is going to install Java. Yes. Now Java is installed and Java hyphen version. So it is saying Java JDK 25.02 is installed and the version is this, and Java C hyphen version you should also get. So Java C is not installed and to install the JDK, sudo apt install open JDK 25 JDK headless, copy it and paste. So it is now installing the open JDK 25. So it is installed. Now we can also see Java C hyphen version. So Java C is also installed. So we successfully installed Java JDK and Java on Ubuntu 26.04. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.